WAYANAD, with her enchanting vistas and captivating secrets, is a land without equal. Welcome to the E3 theme parks. A unique package of excitement, environment, education and entertainment all rolled into one. We welcome our guests with a grand welcome performance. And to entertain, we have 30+ themes to be experienced that will keep you engaged throughout. E3 Aviary, a happy land of more than 300 birds with different varieties. They play with you and pose for a selfie. Experience a closer field with a skywalk. Kerala's first moss garden displays a mystic garden and sculptures in it. Experience nature. Experience green. Our Kids Zone is the best example to show you how we cater kids. Lead them to a world of fun. Welcome to Adventure Zone. Don't tell people your dreams. Try them and show them. Rock climbing, magnetic freefall, rappelling, zip line, and what not. By the way, you're allowed to scream and screech all you want. A few of our highlights include Illumine shows, acrobatic shows, tribal dance, journey of Indian cinema, from retro to metro. Allow yourself the sense of wonder, if you would dare to admit it. This would be the most natural way possible for kids to learn about dinosaurs. Let them experience the sheer size and majesty of these magnificent creatures. Welcome to Dinosaur Park. Welcome to a world of wonder. E3 theme parks await you with a multi-fold excitement. Of course, one couldn't ask for more. A place where you can feel the thrill of environment. A place where the fun begins and never ends. So what are you waiting for? Experience the unforgettable experience. E3 theme parks, Corona, WAYANAD. For bookings, call 907 284 0072.